Here, and on the next two slides, some recommended specifications for CEPAs will be shown. Of course, a particular CEPA may not meet 100% of these specs, and teachers may want to add some of their own. The specs on this slide pertain to the curricular content of the CEPA. A starting point for the development of any lessons, instructional units, or assessment tools should be the curriculum standards to be addressed. Students need to have relevant foundational knowledge or basic skills before they can apply them. So the CEPA unit should either cover these if they are new to the students or review them if they have been covered in the past. The sample CEPA activities shown earlier assumes heat transfer is a new topic, whereas experimental design features and contents of lab reports could be either new or old topics. The performance tasks embedded in a CEPA should require deeper learning, the application of basic knowledge and skills. Most, if not all, the CEPA activities should be engaging and reflect real-world problems or contexts. By their very nature, performance tasks are often interdisciplinary, but a main focus should be on curriculum standards in the teacher's discipline. The specs in this slide pertain to instructional activities. Group work has many advantages with respect to student learning. In addition, it fosters collaboration skills. Different roles for students within a group assure the meaningful involvement of all students in CEPA activities. Throughout a CEPA, students should be accessing a variety of resources, information sources, software, manipulatives, etc. Some learning activities should involve technology, for example, the Internet. Students should be engaged in some form of research, some activities requiring them to find information, generate data, etc., and be at least somewhat self-directed in doing so. Self-initiated planning, information management, and interaction with resources are expectations consistent with previous specifications. The specs shown here pertain to assessment-related activities. As explained in Lesson 2, formative assessment activities should be planned components of lessons. They include checking students' understanding of concepts and skills during the learning. Performance tasks should generate student work products or performances that reflect deeper learning and are scorable for summative purposes. Student work scored for summative purposes should be the work of students individually, not group work. Multiple pieces of summative work gathered during a CEPA should, in aggregate, be worth many points, 20 to 30 perhaps. The point range should reflect the amount of evidence of learning obtained. Students should be asked to demonstrate communication skills through written reports, oral presentations, etc., resulting from the performance tasks. Technology may be used for evidence gathering. For example, student work can be electronically submitted to teachers or shared with other students.